Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I show you how I create this makeup look. I got this gorgeous glitter eyeshadow on. So continue watching to see how I create it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got another makeup look and I thought I would go for kind of a smoky, kind of glittery brown look. I'm just running some errands uptown, but I'm wearing new Espresso GymShark leggings that I got, and I'll be wearing a brown jumper as well, which I'll show you afterwards. So, first things first, if you've watched my other videos you know, primer. I'm still on the same primer. It is literally the best. It is Dream by Revolution, and I just love it so much. So I just get a little bit on my finger and just dab. Oh, my mum's ringing. Bear with me. Sorry about that. I'm back. So, primer's done. Now we're on to foundation. I'm going to use the Revolution Matte Base Foundation. Now I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. This might be a bit of a disaster, but we'll see. I just got some on my hand, and I'm just going to rub it in. Now if you're new here, you may suspect already I am not a professional makeup artist, nor have I been wearing makeup for years. Roughly, I don't know, I'd say the last 5 years, and then we went into COVID, so I wasn't wearing it that much. So I think when I go out to town I need to get more foundation. I have got a lighter shade that I will use up, but that's not the shade I wanted to wear today. So, okay, foundation's done. And then we're on to concealer, and I'm on the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in C1. And I just apply it under my eyes, around my nose, a bit on my forehead, and a bit on my chin. And I will just use my fingers to rub it in. Now, normally I use a Real Techniques sponge, but I threw one away last week and I haven't been bothered to open another one. So maybe by the time I film another video I will have opened it. So that's the concealer done, and then we're on to some eye primer. Now this is the Revolution eye primer in the shade Light, and you just want to apply it all over the lid, really making sure it's even. And then the same to the other side. Now you do not need a lot, and in fact I've added too much to this lid. I mean, I wear it nearly every day, and I would struggle to use it up within the year. You really do not need a lot. It's such a small place, such a small space you're applying it to. Okay, so on to baking powder, and now I use the Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. And I just get a small Revolution brush, put it in like this, tap it off, like so, and then in the lid I just kind of shake off any of the excess, and then I just go under the eye to really brighten it, like so, and then above the eye as well, really making sure all that primer is really well set, like so, and then the same on this side. And then I just bring a little bit down the edge of my mouth or my smile lines. I just can crease there. Not that there's anything wrong with my smile lines. So yeah, all good. Okay, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, so next eyeshadow I am going to do, it's the same palette I've used in other videos, but I love it. It is the Revolution Forever Dynamic Serenity. So these are the shades, and I am going to use this one, and this one in this look. Now this is my go-to look. I have been wearing it nearly all week and I love it so much. So first things first, you just want a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the khaki kind of shade, which is called Glisten. It's called Glisten. And I'm going to apply that in the corner of my eye and blend it out. Kind of nothing too fancy. And then I'm just going to bring the colour under my eye like so. Just so it all matches. And then I'm just going to do the same to the other side. In the corner and blend it out. And then under the eye. Now I'm going to go into the shade Bronzed, which is this shade here, which is kind of a really dark brown, and I'm going to blend it out here. And you see now that's really deep in there. And then I'm just going to bring it under the eye like so. And then I'm just going to do the same to the other eye. Like so. And now with the flat brush, this is an Eco's tool, flat brush, I'm going to go into the shade Serenity, which is this shade here, which is a glitter shade. I'm just going to apply it to the brush like so. And then I'm going to go into the corner and just apply it to the main area of the lid. Like so. And then I'm going to do the same to the other lid. Like so. And then I'm just going to bring a tiny bit down under my eye, and that's it. Really quick, easy, quite simple. I mean, it's nothing too accurate or anything. I mean, sometimes I just apply it all together. But I had a little bit more time today, so I think my battery's about to die. So then I'm going to apply mascara. Like so. This is the Barry M mascara, the feature length. Like so. Then I'm going to go in with my favourite lipstick, which is the Revolution Stripped Lipstick. And just apply it. Sorry if this is a bit rushed, I'm trying to do it before my battery dies. And then I've got the Revolution Ultra Sculpt in the fair, and I just get all three on the same brush and I just apply it to my cheek. And you might think it's a bit silly doing all the same three on the same brush, but I really like it because it means they're all really blended together, like so. This might have been a bit dark, but yeah, so that's it. Alright, so this is the finished look. Got my GymShark Espresso leggings on, a jumper from ASOS, and then my makeup. I'm sorry about the lighting. This is the only film length mirror I've got. So anyway, thanks for watching. My battery did die, so I'm back from town now. So that's why it's a bit later, but thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. My GymShark Espresso leggings on, a jumper from ASOS, and then my makeup. I'm sorry about the lighting. This is the only filament mirror I've got. So anyway, thanks for watching. My battery did die, so I'm back from town now. So that's why it's a bit later, but thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.